Hey, this is LF Tech and we're taking a look at the Noon Home Starter Kit. For those that don't know much about smart home lighting, you basically have two options these days. You can either go the bulb route and switch out all your bulbs for Wi-Fi bulbs, or keep your everyday bulb and install a smart Wi-Fi switch. Noon is the latter with smart Wi-Fi switches to fill your smart home lighting needs. Their home kit comes with one room director switch and two extension switches. The philosophy here is that you install the room director for each room you want to make smart, and then add an extension switch to any additional switches that the room might need. The director can then be programmed for different modes that control both itself as well as the linked extension switches. For our testing, we chose to install our switches in a kitchen dining room area. With installation, it's really good to note that these are not simple plug and play. Installing these consists of removing your existing light switches and installing the Noon ones. So yeah, this does require some basic home electrical knowledge if you want to install these yourself. And your house must be wired with a neutral wire. But of course, not everybody's 100% comfortable digging into their home's electrical. So no worries, Noon actually has that covered. For us, we decided to do the installation ourselves and had no issues. Once installed, setting these things up is really intuitive. It goes from the director setup to adding extensions, picking the exact lighting setup you have for each switch, and then all the way to even going through a whole auto sequence, identifying the exact bulbs you have so they can provide the right features for each one. Operation is pretty simple as well. On the bottom of the switches are physical buttons, so when pressed they operate the lights just as any normal switch would, and will operate even if there is no Wi-Fi available. Digging into the smart features side of this, and well, here are just the top ones that we really liked. You can turn the lights on and off via the mobile app, set preset scenes so that at a touch of a button on the app or director, you can turn a group of lights on or off with preset dimming preferences. Nighttime mode, where at a certain time period the director will motion sense someone walking by and turn the lights on and off automatically. Voice control all or some of the lights with Alexa or Google Home, and a feature in the mobile app to turn all the lights on or off with just one button. And there's a whole lot more. With smart home lighting, everyone always has slightly different focuses on what they feel is the most important feature. Leave a comment below on what features you deem most important in your smart home lighting setups. In considering smart home lighting, in our opinion, Noon is a cut above the competition. Their product is great, and the Noon company is fantastic. We had an opportunity to talk with many different members on their team, from marketing to support, and at every point they were knowledgeable, professional, and courteous. It's always nice to have a good product, but even better when it comes from a great company, which kinda helps justify the $350 price tag. That can be a pretty pricey smart home item for some, but you really get what you pay for. In the end, good build quality, lots of functionality, feature rich and intuitive, but installation is a little bit more involved, a neutral wire is a must, and the higher price tag. We're thinking a ridiculously solid 8 out of 10. Noon switches. I mean, if price is no concern, you've got the neutral wire already covered, and you're totally fine with doing a little home electrical, this is easily a 10 out of 10. We want to say thanks to the Noon team for providing this for our review. We encourage everyone to head over to their site and get the full list of products and features they offer. If you want to get one for yourself, check out the Amazon link below. And as always, thumbs up this video if you thought it was great, and subscribe to get alerts on our future reviews.